What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out. Gonna watch a movie.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate. Today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now we're only using one account. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets usually have 3, 5, 7, even 10 accounts. But we're only using one because you just starting, just checking it out. And I'm just trying to show you the easiest, laziest way to make money online in 2023. Alright guys, so if you're interested in following along, links are in the description. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Let's get started. Okay, so first, I want to speak on why I like promoting this product, in particular the $25 business by Home Business Academy, is because essentially it has an affiliate system that pays 80% recurring commissions, and that's the $25 business. Now the company is called Home Business Academy and has a bunch of other products too, and all of their products are 80% commissions. But the $25 business has recurring commissions, 80%. So that's why I like promoting it in particular. All right, guys. So let's look at our results here to see what's going on here. We're gonna refresh the page to show real results. Don't believe the results unless the page been refreshed and show real results, guys. Very easy to change all of this around to whatever I want it to look like. All right. So I made sure to refresh in front of you guys. Alright guys, it looks like we did get a sale yesterday. Nice. We got a sale yesterday, which is really lovely. And yeah man, it's building up, man. It's really building up big time. Look at the end of the month. The end of the month is my biggest paid time. I get a lot of $100 commissions coming in at the end of the month. I don't got none coming in at the beginning yet, but eventually big commissions should be all throughout this thing, guys. We're slowly building up, as you can see. If you check my last month, it was ridiculous the highs on had since I started doing this, and it really is slowly building up. And I'm doing like the minimal amount of work to do it. All right, guys. So anyway, if you're interested in following on, the first thing I'm gonna need you guys to do is pause this video real quick. You want to pause this video real quick, right? You want to go into my descriptions here, and you want to click on that right there to show all the links here. And you're gonna see step 1 and step 2. I will need you to click on the step 1 link here, guys. Click on the step 1 link here. Now what they should take you is to this page here. They'll take you to this page here with a video right here playing. It might not be playing, whatever. But basically this is the sale page for the $25 business, and it talks about how much money you can make and stuff like that. And it's crazy stuff. Like if I were to get like 2 sales per week, and they bought the whole thing, the whole system, I can make $100,000 in 12 months, which would be really cool. I probably won't get that high, but I might get closer than I think, because I've been scaling up kind of quick. So anyway, guys, we're gonna go ahead and once you decide you want to get in, you know what I mean, so you click on yes I want in. So we click on that, and it'll take you to a page that looks like this. Alright, so you put in your information here. You can buy the product here. You put in your information, all that good stuff. And right here, you complete order after you put in your information. Now, one thing I want to speak on, because you clicked on my link, there's another product called the Home Business, not the Home Business Academy, but the HBA Premium, which is basically traffic, teaching you how to use traffic, paid traffic, YouTube traffic, whatever it may be, right? Ton of ways to do that, and it kind of constantly updated based on what's going on. It also has a emerging content machine, which you ask it to give you some content, it'll give it to you for you, and all that good stuff. And you can get all that 14-day free test drive when you order under my link, guys. All right, guys. Now here's the thing I want to make sure I clarify. You should click on this, and I'm gonna tell you why. You get commission for what you have purchased. So for example, if you do not have this product, you do not have this, right? And you just get the $25 business, and somebody come through and they get both of these, right? You'll get the $20 from the $25 commission, right? But you will not get the $100 from the $125 commission that you'll get paid every week. Remember that, guys. You won't. So you want to have this, all right? You want to have it. and you just complete the order and so on and so forth, and you go through. It'll take you to a page that eventually looks something like this up here at the top here. Don't worry about what's down here. This is the emerging content machine, by the way. You can ask it to give you whatever. It got I asked it about YouTube tags, but you can ask it whatever and get your content. But anyway, guys, I mean, this is worth it just for that alone, to be honest. But anyway, guys, once you get to this page, you click on the affiliate zone here, guys. Take you to the affiliate zone. Let me log in real quick. My bad, guys, I ain't logged in. Take you to the affiliate zone, and once you get to the affiliate zone, guys, you want to just scroll down here. By the way, there's videos about all of this. You want to scroll down, you want to click on sign up for the affiliate program here, and when you click on this, guys, it'll just take you to a page where you put all your information in and so on and so forth, guys. So if you're interested in doing that, you just put that in. Very quick, simple process. And once you do that, you're gonna log in the SoundCard. That should take you to this page here, guys. It'll take you to this page. You won't have any money going on up here, but it'll take you to this page. And once you get to this page, you just scroll down, and that's the link that we're gonna use, guys. So you got your link. You got your link that you're gonna use, guys. That link is the link that takes you to this page here, guys. Same link, okay? You understand? All right, so once you do that, guys, now you need to go to my step 2. Pause the video and go to my step 2 here. It says join my lead gen secrets. All right, you click on this. All right, it should take you to this page here. Now what this is pretty much a sales page as well. And this dude will explain what the My Lead Gen Secrets business is. But TLDR, you get 100 leads every single day. Now these leads, they're cold leads, but they are interested in making money. Understand that. So you have to email them quite a bit to get them to purchase your product, because they don't know you and stuff. So you just got to they just need to know you a little bit. So that's all you really need to do. So we're going to log in here, and people are interested here. We log in the account here, right? So once you put in the information, make your account, whatever it be, you can click on my leads, and it'll show all the information for your leads and stuff, all the links and all the emails, all that stuff, right? I'm not showing that because, you know, public domain. But once you and you also can go with email master email swipes. I personally say do not purchase the master email swipes. I give you plenty of emails you can use. You also, if you got HBA Premium, you can also use the emergent content machine to use the emergent content machine to get it to write you some emails if you wanted to. So it's very simple to do that. So it's a ton of ways for you to get emails without buying them. So we're gonna go to mailing system here. We're gonna click on all our links here. Don't worry about this huge number here, guys. It's simply a number game. You'll slowly build up as well and start getting more sales. And anyway, guys, so I got making money my first week here. And if you copy that email, we're gonna go to the next email on my list here that I got already loaded up. So this is the next email here. This is the one I'm loading up next. So you guys can put that in as well. And yeah, so you can copy all of that. All that good stuff. It's a very short email if you're interested. You can copy it if you want to. And you don't need the pictures. You don't really need the pictures. But you can just copy the email itself. So I'm letting you be able to copy it. And yeah, very simple, very easy email to write. Don't worry about the link, pictures. It don't matter. I just put the pictures in there because I have them. You know, these are my stuff. So it probably won't work out for you. So just copy the words that I'm showing. So that's an email for you real quick. Like, so you want short emails, short and concise emails, because think about it yourself. You're not reading emails that are very long. You're reading emails that are short. You're reading emails to get to the point real quick. So you want them to have the point before they get uninterested. You know what I mean? So what you want to do, hit perfect timing. They'll send an email around the time people check the emails. You want to preview and make sure your link works here, guys. We're gonna click on that. It takes us to this. Perfect, working perfectly. So that's all there is to that. We send the email, and that's all there is to it, guys. Very simple process. And once you get a bunch of emails in here, it only take you about a minute to do every day, and you can slowly build up income. This is the easiest way to make money online in this century, in this year 2023, and I just ain't found nothing easier. All right, guys, 1 minute a day, that's nothing. All right, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. All right, guys, peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.